What's up, man? My name is Sean Morman, and I'm an internet strategist, one of the minds behind Blue World Communities. Blue World Communities is a social media company. We build and manage social networks. We own some of the leading social networks in South Africa, namely Blue World and Zooped Up and a few others. I also author a network of blogs. Some of the blogs on the network is Bandwidth Blog, which was nominated for Best Tech Blog last year. I also have Carblog.co today, which is consistently ranked in the top 10 of South African blogs on Amatomo. I do a bit of public speaking, I do a bit of lecturing at Dave Duarte's courses at the Graduate School of Business for UCT. I do a bit of freelance writing for tech and auto publications as well. Obviously eat and sleep the internet business. I started my first website when I was 16, 7 years ago, and since then hobby has become my work, and here I am today, working long hours every single day. Blue World Communities, which is my main focus, is located on Long Street in Cape Town, and a new office block called 210 on Long, Creative Suites. Very cool, hip, trendy, funky office block. We have a staff of 8, which is consistently growing. All is based here, Zooped Up is based here as well. Obviously, we're continuously innovating on our products, so continuous development is required. So we have programmers full time, we have design staff full time as well, community managers as well. A very small, dynamic, moving company that moves and builds things very quickly, which is one of our core strengths. One of the reasons why 24.com invested in us earlier this year, which was one of the first Web2 acquisitions in South Africa, in my opinion. And this was a big step for us and opened a lot of doors that would normally be shut within the Naspers group. And that is directly related to our growth. We're going to leverage our technology to build some cool things and collaborate with some of the media assets in the Naspers group to create sort of vertical communities, which is something that's very exciting for us, and will help us to leverage our tech and to leverage their existing user base to quickly create a community around a specific topic. Our strategy for growth is to create these niche communities where you can have targeted focused audiences, which is good for advertisers for return on investment and good for the users as well, because they don't have all that noise, and there's a lot of noise in the Web2 space. There's no noise, it's very focused, and they only have what they want to have in front of them in the niche environment. So one of our strategies for growth is to collaborate with some of the Naspers properties.
I'm Robert Phillips, RAFIQ Phillips LL. You wanted me to explain where I come from and how my journey got me to where I am today, but the best place to find that information is if you Google my name and surname. So I'm not going to tell you who I am and what projects I'm involved in. RAFIQ Phillips LL. Click search. All the results you will find on the first 10 results of Google will probably be related to something I have done or I am involved in or where I come from. I used to be a search engine marketing strategist at Quirky Marketing for about 11 months, and there I used to do everything search engine marketing related. Right now I am employed by SWAT, Strategic Worldwide Applications and Technologies, a company that owns a bit of 24, but a mix it, or all of 24, some will mix it, and many internet properties all over the globe.
We came up with the concept to start SEOblog.co.za, and this is a project that I'm doing with the mighty Rafik Phillips, him being a real search engine marketing guru, same marketing guru, so it was a natural fit for me. I wouldn't consider myself a guru in this space, so it was a great opportunity for me to work with Rafik and learn from him at the same time, and also to share some of the knowledge that I've found, SEOing my own properties and SEOing our social networks, and sharing some of the best practices that we've done. The blog's a few weeks old, there's a few articles up. It's really an opportunity for us to give back to the community and share some of the knowledge that we found managing our own web properties.
SEOblog.co.za is there to educate people in the elements and basics of SEO and how to put it all together and align it with their business strategies and marketing to achieve whatever it is they need to achieve using the web and search engines. We are not going to be giving you all keywords to use or what exactly to do. We're rather teaching you the fundamentals, and with a few case studies and real life examples of what we have experienced before, so that instead of giving you the fish, we're teaching you to fish so you can do it yourself.
Rafik and I have been involved in managing numerous blogs and online communities. So, some of the stuff that we've learned by managing these properties, the search marketing stuff, we're going to elaborate on SEO blog to sort of give back to the community. I think Rafik touched on it earlier. There's a lot of guys that educate their users, but they sort of give them the keyword, hey, use this keyword, do this, there you go, which is not really something that we want to do. We want to really give our users the tools. This is how you do it. Pick your own niche and then go do it yourself, instead of actually giving away, the actual secret sauce, if you would like to say that. So that is one of the aspects that you will find on SEO blog. Another thing is we sort of had a contrary view on SEM. Obviously there's a lot of overlapping things, but I might sometimes do something for short-term, rankings and SERPs, where Rafik is more of a long-term search engine strategist employing really legit strategies. So we'll be weighing up the pros and cons, sort of for white hat, black hat type stuff.
Yep. One of the examples that I'm going to be using, doing a case study on SEO blog, is the campaign currently running at Canal called Jail for Bail. Well, I've been in contact with the guy Gerard Pieterse from Autism Western Cape, and been giving a few pointers and a few social media sites to use to spread the word. And what I'm going to be doing is documenting everything we did for the Jail for Bail campaign without touching the Autism Western Cape site, but just using the available free tools and social networks like Blue World, like Zoopy, like like my video, like Twitter, Facebook, everything, and documenting the whole process, and also in turn maybe helping Jail for Bail even further with their campaign by spreading the word in the tech community.
Something else that we want to do, obviously the holy grail would be Google. So a lot of the stuff and a lot of the services that Google provide is not too user friendly on the first time, onto the untrained eye basically. So we'll elaborate on how to use some of the Google tools like Google Webmaster Central and Analytics, and some of the buying traffic and making money, like AdSense and AdWords as well. So touching on some affiliate marketing stuff. Google is in everything as well. We'll do some case studies of how we've worked in other second and third tier search engines, even other first tier ones like Yahoo and MSN Live. So there's a lot of traffic in those search engines, which a lot of people forget about. So, and also, besides the search engines, there's a lot of social media engines as well, like Reddit and Digs and Delicious and Flickrs, which you can use to drive traffic effectively as well as part of your SEM strategy as a whole. So really a 360 view on things, how to do it, not here is how you do it, type of thing. So I'm really looking forward to working with Rafik as well. Of course, for us, this will be a learning experience as well, as the web is continuously evolving, so we have to continuously adapt and develop new techniques and stuff. So it's a good opportunity for us to learn as well.
Trying to add value to the community and make a difference and educate people. We're not thinking about how can we make cash out of it. It's not about that. One thing is, all information that will be published on SEO blog is like the Quirk e-marketing textbook, available under a Creative Commons license, so they can rework and adapt it if they want to.